What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and it's currently 2 a.m. Why am I filming this late or early in the morning? It's because I cannot sleep, and why can't I sleep? I don't know, but it's something that happens to me often. So anyway, what do? I just film videos to pass the time till I get tired. So let's get started in this video. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. It's a light that I found on the tool truck. I know I told you guys I don't buy anything off the tool truck, but I had to buy this. It's pretty freaking cool. And it's, like I said, it's cool. I've never seen it before. Well, I have seen it before because I saw it with someone else, and then I decided to buy one because I thought it was really cool. But I'm going to show you guys, and here it is. There it is. So here we have this really cool light. It is made by Power Probe, and it is called the Power Probe Tech Light. It's really cool. So here's the box. This is what it looks like. Nothing crazy about the box other than it's elongated. It comes with a charger and 4 lights. So I'm going to show you exactly how these lights work and what they do. Now let us open it. Like I said, it comes with the charger, nothing crazy. It's not a USB charger. It's one of those attached cord chargers that plug in somewhere here. I know it plugs in. Oh, it plugs in right over here in the corner, right? And you just pop it in, and that's about it. Just put it in the wall to charge. But other than that, I believe under low light, it runs 6 hours, and then under heavy intense light it runs for 3 hours. So look at this, right? It lights up like that, right? All 4, boom. That's the bright one. So this lasts 3 hours in this intense mode, and then the first mode that you saw lasts 6 hours, right? So they all light. But that's not the crazy cool part. Why is my light adjusting like that? Let me fix this. Oof. Okay, but that's not the crazy cool part. Look at this. So you press this little tab here, and each one of these pop out into individual cubes. Look how sick that is. That's really cool, right? And even though you have cubes out, you can still light this bar up. So it got these really 2 cool magnets in the back. I almost dropped it, but I got these 2 cool magnets in the back. Link up anywhere that you need it to. I'll show you that in a sec. It's a pretty strong magnet, and yeah, this is pretty sick. Now, the cool thing about these cubes is that they individually light as well. They have their little light button here on the front, so they light up. And on top of that, there's also a little hook that you can hang them anywhere that you want. They also have their own magnetic base, which is really cool, and it's a plus. I've never really seen lights like these before until I met one of my coworkers who have them. And since I've seen that he had them, I thought they were really cool. I thought they'd come in handy, and I've been using them. I've been using them for a while now. I bought them last week. Any chance I get to use them, I do use them. They are a tremendous help. Sometimes I hook all 4 of them up, and I put them in different corners and different spots and light them all up at the same time, and it really illuminates my workspace. This is definitely worth it. So if any of you guys, you know, are looking for lights, tired of buying these like one long lights and stuff like that, like the Ryobi light I had, that's really cool too. That does what it needs to do. But these are like on a whole new level. Super bright. Altogether, I believe it's 1,000 lumens. They're super bright, and they really get the job done. Now, like I said, they light up the entire workspace. Definitely worth the buck. I paid, I think, $2 something for them. I wish they were a little bit cheaper than that, but it's really worth it. I believe it's also lifetime warranty, so that's another plus. I just paid $200 for a one-time thing, and it's lifetime warranty, so this is pretty cool. Plus, they look like little drone cubes, which is awesome. I wish they can float. If they can do that, that crap would be cool. That'd be really sick. So all we do is just pop them back in there. They're a little dirty because I use them a lot, so I try to keep them as clean as I can. But as a diesel tech, you're really not going to keep them that much clean. But let me show you how sick these are and how they all stick. And we're gonna use my fridge. So let's turn now. Alright guys, so here we have the fridge, and what is that? It is stuck right there. Pretty sick. Pop each one. Right? Let's see how sick this is. Whoop. Whoop. That's out of whoop. Yeah, tell me that ain't cool, guys. Tell me that's not cool. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. They each light individually. They have very powerful magnets, and they have hooks. So if you cannot magnetize it in a certain spot, you can definitely hook it up in a certain spot and not have to worry about anything. Now, with the magic of editing, I'm not going to show you guys putting each one of them in. I'm just going to snap my fingers, and it's going to be there in 3, 2, 1. There you go. So it is all there and set, and that is a beauty. Well, that's all that this can do. I wish it can float and show you other cool things, but it cannot do anything more than that. So, with that being said, let's move back to the table. Woo! That was a crazy teleportation. Here we are back at the table, and yes, this is the Power Probe Tech Lite. Guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, so make sure you click on it. Check that out if you guys want one. Definitely worth it. Hey, even for power outages, not just working on cars, this is definitely worth it. I'm going to get myself a second one to keep one in the house and keep one at work. So, with that being said, guys, I hope you all stay safe. I hope you guys are washing your hands. I hope you guys are keeping a very clean hygiene. And I hope that all of you guys are safe, sound, and healthy. Please remember, stay indoors if you don't have to go outside. Order everything that you need online and let it get delivered to you. Keep a very healthy lifestyle and think of others. Don't be reckless. Guys, with that being said, please take care, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm still not tired, but let's see if I can squeeze in some sleep. Peace.